show you how we can create resources using Terraform in our AWS account. So I'm going to copy my access key and now paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to copy my secret access key. I'm also going to paste it in the secret access key. So good. So now we have configured the terraform.tf file. So I'm going to create another file which we're going to call the main.tf. That's where we're going to create our resources. So I'll create another file called main.tf. Okay, so this is my main.tf file. So here I'm going to define the resources that I want created in AWS. So in the main.tf file, I'm going to just require if the resource that I want to provision in our AWS account. So for now, I'm going to create an AWS S3 bucket. Yes, from this platform. So I'm going to type. You can also get the template format from Terraform. Template on how to create resources. So for S3, we have resource and the name of the resource that you want to create, which in this case is going to be an S3 bucket. So I'm going to type AWS underscore S3 underscore buckets. Okay, so I'll give my bucket name. Okay, for now let's call it demo bucket. Okay, so I'll put it in this okay, so I'm going to type my bucket should be called let's call it Terraform demo bucket. So this is all I need. Okay, I have to indent this. Sorry. Okay, so for now, this is what I'm going to create in my AWS account. So we have already seen that currently there's no buckets in our AWS account like I've showed you initially. So I'm going to save this file, and I'm also going to save the terraform.tf file. So I'm going to issue the Terraform commands. So first of all, I'm going to bring out the terminal. Okay, so we're going to issue the Terraform command to connect to our AWS account and provision this resource for us. Okay, so our terminal is coming up. Okay, our terminal is up. So the first command I'm going to issue is the Terraform init command. So this will initialize all what we've defined and make a connection to the AWS account. So I'll have Terraform init init. Okay, so type Terraform init and press enter. So wait for Terraform to initialize. Yeah, so once it's done, we'll see that Terraform has initialized all before we can proceed. So let's just wait for it to initialize. Take some few seconds for it to complete. As if there are no errors, it should complete successfully. So that a Terraform is initializing. So it takes some few seconds. So guys, so it's very easy to use Terraform to provision your resources in AWS cloud. Just as you can see, so there are basically 3 commands: Terraform init, Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. So those are the 3 commands that we are going to use to provision our resources. So that will have our resources provisioned in AWS account. So once we are done, and at any point you want to destroy the beautiful. Our initialization is complete. As you can see, Terraform has successfully initialized. So the next command we are going to be running is Terraform plan. So I'm going to be running the Terraform plan command. So I'll be typing Terraform plan and enter. So if there's no error, it should complete in less than no time. So let's wait for the Terraform plan command to complete. So the initial stage, it may take some time, but it shouldn't take more than a few seconds or minutes. So let's just wait for it there. So once it's done, you see the output, the results, telling you that the initialization is complete. Yeah, so beautiful. Our initialization is complete. As you can see, Terraform has successfully initialized. So the next command we are going to be running is Terraform plan. So I'm going to be running the Terraform plan command. So I'll be typing Terraform plan and enter. So if there's no error, it should complete in less than no time. So let's wait for the Terraform plan command to complete. So beautiful. Our Terraform plan command is completed, and as you can see, one plan is added to the plan. So everything is okay. So the next command we are going to run is to apply. So I'm going to type Terraform apply dash auto dash approve. Okay, so this command is going to create the resource that we have in our main.tf file. So I'll enter, and let's wait for the Terraform apply to complete. So once the Terraform apply command is completed, we should be able to see the resource that we wanted to provision on our AWS platform, and that's a very cool feature. So we'll wait for it to get completed. So beautiful. Our Terraform apply command, okay, is still running and almost done. Correct. So you can see that apply command is completed and one resource has been added to AWS platform. So we can go to our AWS account and check if this resource is available on the platform. So here I am on my AWS account, and I'm going to check my S3 buckets if I have any new bucket in the account. So I'm going to click on S3. Let's see if the resource has been provisioned. You should be able to see it in a moment. Yeah. So it's coming up. So beautiful. It shows that our resource has been provisioned using Terraform. So let's see if the resource is actually here. It's taking some time, but it should be